Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be looking at grouping symbols. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to answer the question, in what order must operations be evaluated to find a solution where there are parentheses within parentheses? So let's go ahead and look at this problem. It says, Mary's weekly allowance is $8 and David's weekly allowance is $5. Every week, they each spend $2 on lunch. Write a numerical expression to show how many weeks it will take them together to solve enough money to buy a video game for $45. And then it says use parentheses and brackets to write an expression. You can use parentheses and brackets to group operations that go together. Operations in parentheses and brackets are performed first. So step 1, write an expression to represent how much Mary and David save each week. So how much money does Mary save each week? Well, if we go up here, it says that her allowance is $8. Every week, they each spend $2 on lunch. So each week she gets 8 and spends 2. So we're going to have 8 minus 2 to see how much she saves. And David gets 5 and spends 2. So how much money do Mary and David save together each week? Well, 8 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. Then it says, write an expression to represent how many weeks it will take Mary and David to save enough money for the video game. So how many weeks will it take Mary and David to save enough for the video game? Think, I can use brackets to group operations a second time. $45 is divided by the total amount of money saved each week. So we're going to do 45 divided by this numerical expression that we have up there. Sorry, it's not on the screen. So we're going to do 45 divided by this numerical expression. So parentheses, 8 minus 2 plus the parentheses, 5 minus 2. And again, there are brackets here, so you do what's inside those brackets first. Let's go ahead and look at another problem. So when we evaluate expressions with grouping symbols, when evaluating an expression with different grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and braces, perform the operation in the innermost set of grouping symbols. First, evaluate the expression from the inside out. So here we have Juan gets $6 for his weekly allowance and spends $4 of it. His sister Tina gets $7 for her weekly allowance and spends $3 of it. Their mother's birthday is in 4 weeks. If they spend the same amount each week, how much money can they save together in time to buy her a present? So first step is to write the expression, which they already have for us. Then you're going to perform the operations in the parentheses first. So I'm going to do 6 minus 4, which is 2, and 7 minus 3, which is 4. Then I'm going to do what's inside the brackets. So we have 2 plus 4, and that is 6, and then 4 times 6, which is 24. So Juan and Tina will be able to save $24 for their mother's birthday present.